In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your ClickFunnels account. We'll cover each step in a straightforward manner to make sure you can pause your account without any trouble. So, let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to log in to your ClickFunnels account. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials on the ClickFunnels website. Once you're in, direct your attention to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your avatar, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Account Settings. Next, you will be navigating to the Account Billing section. This area is where you can manage all things related to your subscription details and billing information. It's an important place to familiarize yourself with, as it houses all the options for managing your account's financial settings. Once you're in account billing, you'll want to keep your eyes peeled for the Cancel Account tab. Now, you might be wondering why you need to head to the Cancel Account tab if you're only looking to pause your account and not fully cancel it. Don't worry, this is just part of the process. Clicking on this tab grants you access to options beyond just canceling, including pausing your account. When you've opened the Cancel Account tab, one of the options you'll see is Cancel My Subscription. Click on this, and at this point, you'll reach a prompt that will allow you to choose Pause Your Plan, or sometimes it might say Pause My Account. This is the crucial step where you'll actually indicate that you're looking to pause, rather than fully end your relationship with ClickFunnels. This pause option is particularly useful if you find you need a temporary break, but plan to come back when you're ready. After selecting Pause Your Plan, you'll be guided through some on-screen instructions. Make sure to follow these meticulously to ensure that your account is paused accurately. The system might ask for confirmation or offer additional information, which is worth reading through to understand any implications, such as how long the pause will last and what happens to your account during this time. Once you've followed through with these instructions, you'll have successfully paused your ClickFunnels account. You can feel assured knowing your funnels and data will remain intact, ready for when you decide to reactivate your account in the future. And that's it. You've now learned how to pause your ClickFunnels account step by step. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.